Hi friends, welcome to Chava's Tea Room. Today I'm gonna make Yuzu Sencha Spritz. This is our newest tea, Yuzu Sencha from Inoue-san, tea farmer Inoue-san in Ureshino in Saga Prefecture. He makes, it's called guricha, and then he has a friend in Kagoshima, yuzu farmer, and then he drive down to get the yuzu peels, and then he makes it with the yuzu peel. This is really good. Makes really good cold brew, and then hot brew, also iced brew. That's one of my favorite. We're gonna make the iced brewed tea using this Kyusu. Let's get started. So first, I'll make iced brewed sencha using this Kyusu. Alright, so put the Yuzu Sencha tea into the Kyusu first. Oh, before that, I'll show you this inside. There's like a filter. There's a filter inside of this Kyusu. This is really perfect Kyusu to make this iced brew sencha. I'll show you why. So put this tea leaves. This is about 3 grams. I want to make a little bit stronger today, so I'll put maybe 1.5 gram more, half of it. And next, to put some ice in this Kyusu. All the way, you can fill up this Kyusu. I waited a little bit too long, so it's starting to melt and then sticky. Alright. Put some ice all the way. Maybe I can put more. There you go. See? Ta-da! Okay. If you have time, you can just leave this like this and then wait for a while and just forget about it. Or when you're rush, you can actually shake it. So before using this sparkling water, here's some water inside here. It's about halfway. So about this much, halfway water. When you're rushing, when you want to drink right away, you can shake. It is like a shaker Kyusu. We call it shaker Kyusu. So until this Kyusu gets really, kind of cold and then hard to hold, that's the sign. It becomes really cold here. It's a really good practice for your arm. Good exercise. So there was a screen around inside of this Kyusu, so you don't have to worry about the ceramic gets scratchy. That's why it's called shaker Kyusu. Alright. I'm feeling this on my arm. It's becoming really nice and green color. Maybe you can see it. I'll show you. Alright, can you see it? Very nice. Use it forward. It's getting really cold here. It's becoming kind of hard to hold here. Alright, so let's serve. There you go. You can just taste this one with a sparkling water as well. It's really good, very refreshing. And then you can put more water here for the next one. And once again, leave it or shake. Okay. Alright, let's pour some sparkling water here. Perfect. Alright. いただきます。おいしい。This aroma of yuzu and then deep guicha. I can taste even the ocean breeze in the tea leaf. 井上さんありがとう。最高。This is really good, refreshing tea spirits. So please try it. Thank you for watching.